it's so crazy. There was a stat I pulled the other day, and when it comes to, think about this, the number of people that are working longer in their later years. Like, so, not everyone's retiring anymore at 65. So I think you're going to see like more and more people that are like, they're 70 and 80 and they're still working at some part-time job to try to make the ends meet, or maybe they're a consultant, or maybe they do something. And like, I have a friend, like right now, when I met this guy, him and his wife are probably in their like 50s or in like their 60s, and now they're in their 70s. He sells insurance, right? And so he's got a flexible job, but he still needs like periods of time throughout the week that he can go do focus work and not have to worry about his wife. And like 10, 11 years ago, he was my first friend in town. And our first double date I ever went on with my wife was with this couple. And like here today, they're in their 70s, and we're taking care of his wife now in our adult day center, like, 1 or 2 days a week when he needs, that focus time to focus on some of the stuff that he does, because he still works.
Yeah.
So I think like, it's like you're going to see a lot of that kind of stuff start to appear more and more, where, families are still trying to make it work, that they're not ready to place their loved one in a place yet, whether it's financially or whether it's just because they don't, they're
mentally
they're
not there.
Made them promise. Yeah.
Hey guys, thank you so much for making it this far. If you'd like to watch last week's episode, click here. If you'd like to watch more exciting content on senior care, click here. If you'd like to learn how to open up your own adult daycare, assisted living, or home care agency, click here, krischanna.com. This is for all those senior care entrepreneurs out there. And let's get back to work.